Hi, good morning, cadets. I wish you a wonderful morning. Today, let us take a small activity, that is, revision of chapters which we studied in the last few classes. Cadets, this revision is a brief revision so that it is just like refreshing what we studied in the chapter 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. So what is the name of chapter number 1? That is tracing changes through 1,000 years. That is the name of the chapter. In this chapter we studied about cartographer. You can see here cartographer. Cartographer is a person who makes the map. He is a cartographer. In this page you are seeing a map. This map is drawn by Al-Idrisi. So this is a map of Al-Idrisi's map. What we studied in Al-Idrisi's map? This Al-Idrisi's map in a reverse order. Okay, it is in a reverse order. That means this is Sri Lanka. Okay, so it is in a reverse order. So it is very difficult to compare this map with the today's map. And what is there in this chapter further? Okay, this is second map which we studied. This map you feel little comfortable because you can see it is in an order where this is Sri Lanka. This is what the map today what we are generally come across. Then we also studied about new and old technologies. We studied about what is the term called Hindustan. We studied the meaning of term Hindustan. We studied how the meaning of term Hindustan changed over a period of time. We also studied Babur called Hindustan because of the flora, fauna or the condition of India. Because of that he called it a Hindustan. Hindustan is not the political map of India today. It is because of the flora and fauna or because of the geographical condition. So we studied about new technology. What is the new technology we studied? We studied about Persian wheel. So Persian wheel was used for the purpose of agriculture. Then what further we studied? We further studied about historians and their sources. So in these historians and sources we studied about inscriptions, monuments, we studied about coins. So how inscriptions, monuments and coins helps for the studying of history. This is what we are speaking about, historians and their sources. Where these sources are kept? The sources are kept in a place called archives. So archive is a place where the sources are kept. So manuscripts are kept in, manuscripts are nothing but written documents. You can see in this picture a person is scribbing or writing the manuscripts. That is what we studied in this chapter. Further what we studied? Further we studied about new social and political changes. What we studied in new political changes? That means emergence of new dynasties, where we studied about Rashtrakuta dynasty's origin, Chalukya dynasty's origin, Kadambas of Kadambas of Banavashi, that is Mayura Sharma, Kadamba dynasty origin. So we also studied about several rituals like Hiranyagarbha and all those things which we studied in the next chapter, how they made it more effectively. So emergence of political group is nothing but how new dynasties or kingdom origin. And we also studied about social and political order. This is what Persian wheel. This is what Persian wheel. So this is we studied in this chapter. What further we studied in this chapter? We also studied about region and empire. What is the region and empire? Region and empire we studied about. We are going to means we studied in brief about Chola kingdoms or Tughlaqs, Ghiyasuddin Balban. All these things we studied in brief in the chapter number 1. We also studied about habitat. Habitat means a people where naturally stay in a particular place, This we studied in chapter 1. Very important. We studied about Jati system. We studied how Jati system was started, how Jati Panchayat controlled this. So all these things we studied in chapter number 1. Further what we studied in chapter number 1, that is old and new religion. Which is a new religion originated? That is Islam, Christianity, which are all new to India. So this is also we are going to study in this textbook of class 7th, that is old and new religion. Okay, we are going to study about how Delhi Sultanates were responsible for establishing that religion called Islam. We are also going to study about Bhakti movement, devotional path, chapter number 8. Then what further we studied in this chapter, that is thinking about time and historical period. What is thinking about time and historical period? This is the topic where we discussed about division of history into 3 periods. What is the 3 period? That is ancient history, medieval history and modern history. I also explained you that James Mill classified Indian history or the history of British India into 3. What is that? Hindu period, Muslim period and Christian period. So this is we studied in this chapter. So those things we studied in chapter number 1. For your understanding, I just revised what we studied in chapter number 1. So that was the last topic, that is what thinking about historical period and time. Cadets, I hope it will be helpful for you for a quick understanding of the chapter. Please take care of yourself. Bye.